This wood floor is divided into 4 sections. Each area is primed with a different Eukula primer, which results in a different visual impression and gives you the opportunity for creative floor designs. The floor is already sanded and is now grouted. With Strato Fill 101, a homogeneous mass is mixed with the fine sander dust. The grout can be processed easily with a flexible spatula. Holes and cracks are filled in this way. Now the surface can be treated with the primers. Eukula Classic Prime 200 is a classic primer which slightly enhances the grain. This effect can be intensified through a 2-component application. This is particularly interesting on exotic colored woods. Amber Prime creates a beautiful amber-colored tone on the wood floor. Intensive Prime accentuates the wood in a particularly intensive way and brings out color differences in wood. Frost Prime 202 is light pigmented and enhances the light color of wood types such as oak, maple and ash. Darker woods are brightened. The primers are now dry and the wood floor can be sealed. All Eukula primers can be sealed with the water-based Strato lacquers. Here Strato Professional 311 is used. After about 3 hours, the floor can be worked on again. After the first lacquer coat, intermediate sanding with a 120 grid is carried out. After the second layer is applied, you can see the effect in a before and after comparison. With the different Eukula primers, you're able to design wood floors exactly according to customers' specifications.